So I'm gonna be opening 4 Unified Mind packs. So let's get it on. I already opened the first one, and I'm like, oh, I should record a video. So let's get it. So here's the go card. I'm gonna do the pack pick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. So we got a lightning energy, got a Grunty, no, that's a Dragonair. We got a Basculin. We got a Tyamo. We got a, okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Cosmog. We got a Soundile. And Gaible. That's made out of stuff. Got Steel, Execute, and oh my god, guys. This, oh my god. We got a Garchomp and Grunty. Oh my god. We already opened up our first pack, and we got a freaking Garchomp and Grunty GX. I'm gonna go get some sleeves for this. You know what? No, I'm gonna sleeve it up after the video. So, first pull of the day. That is nice. Dang. Okay, so I'm about to open up our next pack. Sorry guys about that. My grandma knocked on the door. She was trying to find something. So I'm about to show you the code card. So there's a code card. So here we go. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's get this on. We got a Psychic Energy. Oh frick. Got a Tackle. Hapu. I'm trying to move everything. Got a Magneton. Gelato. Bigoof. Bidoof, is that actually called? Oh, Bidoof. Okay, sorry, Slipping. Got Swimpod, Mailbat, and for our rare, we got a Magneton. And oh my god, I can't believe we pulled another one. It's another tag team card. We got a Mega Scably and a Tyranitar GX tag team card. Look at this, guys. 2 in a row. That is just, what the frick just happened to my door? Well, we have 2 more packs to go. If we can pull 2 more, my sister is yelling for some reason. I'm gonna open it. Let's see what I get. Ah, they taped this one good. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, guys. So let's get this pack open. Okay, I'm gonna do the card trick down here so I don't mess it up in the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the code card. There's the code card. And now it is time to reveal. So let's get this party started. Okay, so I know what this energy is, and I'm gonna let you guys pick. So pick your energy, and I will reveal it to you. So, if you guess fire, then you are correct. Fire energy. And we got a Coach Trainer, Telsium, Cherish Balm, Tyamo. I have no idea how to pronounce this. I don't even think I'm showing you the cards on that, but yeah. I'm trying not to look at the last card. But it's shiny, so I basically ruined it. Got a Niddlebat, or Nittybat, I don't know. So, open. Oh, you didn't even see that card. Oh my god, we are just on, oh my god, guys, we are just on a streak. Jikachi GX, like, what is this? Okay, guys, we got 3 GXs out of the 3 packs. So if we can pull another GX, I am going to beg my parents for more Pokemon cards. So let me do a card trick. Okay, guys, so here is the go-kart. Let's leave it there. Okay, so let's get this started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you know what? Guess the energy game again. I know the energy. You guys need to pick the right energy. So the energy. I'm gonna wait for you guys to pick your energy. Okay, if you guys pick dark energy, you are correct. So we got another Curious Bulb. We got a Terrace. Sorry, Turilla. Tyamo again. Ooh, we got an Ultra Beast up in the house, boys. Ultra Beast. We got a Playboy. Snorunt. Oh, you guys didn't see that. There you go. Got a Dribble. Got a Swubble or Subble. I have no idea. Ooh. I think we basically just pulled a GX. I have no idea. It says Speeding Sky Strike GX. Wow. We got an Air Slash. And for this one, this card, I know what this card is. So I can show you. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. Okay, so I'll show you one more time. If you guys, okay, you guys can basically see it right now. We got a Unifence. That's sad, guys. We pulled. Okay, our pulls today are on, like, they're on point. Look at this. Look at those pulls. My mom gave me the right packs. Like, dang. Those are some pulls. 3 GXs? Dang. I haven't pulled that many in... I've never pulled that many GXs in one box. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later.